Good day, everyone. This video present 4F's remediation or the 4 fundamental operations in mathematics. So this is multiplication. It helps you develop your skill in multiplying numbers. So get ready. Prepare your pen and paper. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Okay, let's start. Number 1, 5 times 7. Number 2, 3 times 8. Number 3, 4 times 5. Number 4, 7 times 9. Number 5, 6 times 7. Number 6, 3 times 9. Number 7, 9 times 8. Number 8, 5 times 6. Number 9, 7 times 7. Number 10, 4 times 7. Number 11, 2 times 8. Number 12, 4 times 8. Number 13, 1 times 9. Number 14, 5 times 3. And number 15, 4 times 9. Thanks for answering. This is the key answers for the 1 to 15 item test. So let's check your answers. Number 1, 35. Number 2, 24. Number 3, 20. Number 4, 63. Number 5, 42. Number 6, 27. Number 7, 72. Number 8, 30. Number 9, 49. Number 10, 28. Number 11, 16. Number 12, 32. Number 13, 9. Number 14, 14. Number 15, 36. So congratulations if you got perfect score. If not, then try again to answer.